How to make the viral AI videos. Step 1. Brainstorm. Think about trending topics, niches, or unique angles that could go viral. Consider what kind of hook will immediately grab attention. Step 2. AI for ideas. Use an LLM like ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm video ideas, generate script outlines, or even write full short scripts. Step 3. Keep it short and engaging. Viral short form videos need to get to the point quickly. Aim for under 60 to 90 seconds with a strong hook in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Step 4. Choose your AI video and generation tool. You can use InVideo AI and Sora. Step 5. Create your video content. Input your script or prompt, select visuals and its voiceover. Add elements and subtitles for your video. Step 6. Upload to platforms. Post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and etc.